Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming what exactly is broken: keyboard, controller, or touch. Open Roblox settings and the in-game control menu to see current bindings. This shows whether the problem is global or game-specific. Once done, test a simple input like jump or forward to isolate the device. Make sure your controller is paired, batteries are good, and no conflicting software is running. If using keyboard, look for stuck keys or custom key remappers, because those hide the real cause. Now reset controls to a known baseline. Open Settings, go to Controls and choose Reset. This removes accidental bindings. After that, remap only the inputs you need, assigning unique keys or buttons to avoid overlap. When remapping, save and test immediately in a local or private server so no other scripts influence behavior. If using a controller, update its firmware and Windows/Mac OS drivers first. Outdated drivers often cause intermittent failure. Finish by addressing deeper causes. Completely reinstall the Roblox client or clear its cache to remove corrupted settings. Inspect the game for custom scripts or developer plugins that override input events. Disable them or try a different place. If problems persist, test with another device or account to see if it's profile-specific. One key troubleshooting tip: run Roblox in safe conditions, no overlays, no third-party input tools, because those often intercept controls and create the exact symptoms you experienced.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.